Hello guys, today we're going to unbox the Ursaluna Ex Box. Let's start ripping it. First we have the oversized card featuring Bloodmoon Ursaluna Ex. Then we have 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs. There are 2 Surging Sparks, 1 Paradox Rift and 1 Stellar Crown. Then there is the promo card, the foil promo card featuring Bloodmoon Ursaluna Ex. And there are 2 foil cards. The last one, the code card. If you're interested for Ursaluna EX Box, you can find it on Bloodmoon Collectibles store or even on our website bloodmooncollectibles.com. Thank you for watching.